In a manger in Bethlehem, God showed us his perfect plan. King of heaven, child so small, Son of God and man. The shepherds see a great big light. Heaven sings a hymn by night. Glory to the highest King, Son of God and man. Hear the angels sing to the newborn King. Star that shines so bright in the darkest night. Jesus Christ, the Son of God, came down for you and me. Christmas time is here, Christmas time is here. It is Christmas time.
Wish you happy holidays with loved ones and lots of presents. We should be thankful this Christmas for the blessings we have received this year. Season greetings.
I hope Santa Claus brings you everything you wish under the Christmas tree and more. My all love to you. This is the time to spend with our friends, family members, and others who bring joy to our life. I hope this Christmas brings love, joy, and lots of luck for the coming new year. Sending my best wishes for you and your family this Christmas.